Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Etsy app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Etsy and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your